Are you looking for the top 5 best corded electric lawn mower? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 best corded electric lawn mower on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Snapper XD82 VMAX Step Sense 21 inch. For those looking for a powerful, high-end electric mower, this cordless model from Snapper doesn't disappoint. One of the best battery-powered lawn mower options. It runs on a supercharged 82-volt lithium-ion battery. 2 batteries and the charger are included. This mower cuts a generous 21-inch swath, rivaling some of its gas-powered competitors. Weighing in at a hefty 72 pounds, this mower is heavier than other electric mowers but features self-propulsion to lighten the load. The mower features a push-button start and 7 cutting heights, from 1.3/8 inches to 3.3/4 inches, making it appropriate for most turf types. It offers large 10-inch rear wheels and a grass-catching bag that fits on the back, with clippings discharging to either the side or the back. In our trials, this mower was a top performer in terms of power and overall user comfort. The Step Sense feature, which increases or decreases the self-propelled pace, was most noticeable on slopes. It operates based on the push pressure applied to the handle. As you push harder, the mower moves forward faster. At times the mower feels like it's running away from you until you get acclimated. We noted that the sliding handle mechanism has a slight tendency to stick instead of sliding and changing the pace smoothly. Number 2. Worx W147 Landroid Robotic Mower. Save a ton of effort with this top-quality lawn robot. The Worx Landroid Robot Mower handles yards up to 1/4 acre, thanks to a 20-volt motor and 2 hours of runtime. Plus, it only takes 90 minutes to reach full charge. 2 brushless wheel motors offer extra traction, allowing this 23-pound mower to cut lawns with a 20-degree slope. The Landroid's 8-inch triple-blade cutting disc mows close to the edges of a yard with adjustable height between 1.6 and 3.9 inches. Obstacles aren't an issue with this robot mower. If it encounters them, the mower backs away, and you can also program it to exclude certain areas. Although the Landroid requires more setup effort than a traditional mower, once it's up and running, it is nearly 100% autonomous. To get started, we downloaded the app, installed the boundary wire and charging station, charged the mower, and programmed the mowing schedule. Total setup time was about 2 hours, but we allowed the battery to charge overnight prior to the first scheduled mowing. We observed the mower in operation. Similarly to a robot vacuum, the Landroid mows in a random pattern, using its software to map out the most efficient route. It avoids obstacles by first bumping them, then rerouting. An anti-collision system is available as an add-on purchase. When the battery runs low, the Landroid returns to its docking station to recharge, then completes the program. An onboard rain sensor disrupts the mowing schedule as needed to avoid cutting wet grass. This mower is ideal for those with up to 1/4 acre of grass who like the idea of set it and forget it. It mowed fairly close to the edges, but a quick touch-up with a string trimmer will be necessary, maybe once a week during the summer. Other than that, it's a matter of monitoring the app and observing the lawn. Blade changes will be required a few times during the season. The frequency depends on programming and the type of grass. Number 3. Makita 18-volt X2L XD Lithium-Ion. This push mower from Makita is a top choice if you're looking for a cordless, battery-powered model. It has a brushless motor that delivers up to 3,300 revolutions per minute for fast, powerful cutting, and the tool comes with 4 18-volt batteries. It uses 2 at a time, and altogether, the 4 batteries deliver around 40 minutes or runtime. The Makita push lawn mower has an 18-inch commercial-grade steel deck, which is a bit smaller than other models, and it's able to bag, mulch, or rear discharge clippings. There are 10 cutting heights, but the highest setting is only 3 inches, which can result in the machine struggling a bit in tall, overgrown grass. The mower has a soft, rubberized grip for operator comfort, and there's even a quiet mode that helps keep the volume to a minimum, ideal if you like to mow early in the morning. Number 4. Greenworks 9-amp 14-inch corded electric lawn mower, with a 14-inch swath width powered by a 9-amp electric motor. This Greenworks corded electric mower makes quick work of cutting small to medium-sized yards. The quiet running mower features a push-button start and graduated wheel size, with 6-inch front wheels and 7-inch rear wheels, to make maneuvering the mower a snap. It features a safety handle that must be engaged when mowing. When the handle is released, the mower stops. The grass cutting height is adjustable from 1/4 inches to 3 inches, and the mower features both a 10-gallon rear bag for catching grass clippings and mulching capability. At the end of an afternoon's work, the handle folds down for easy storage, allowing it to be stowed along a wall in the garage or storage shed. A 12 or 14-gauge exterior extension cord, not included, is required for operation. With its 9-amp motor, this was not the most powerful corded mower we tested, but it proved capable of cutting down taller grass and did not struggle as we anticipated it would in dense, weedy areas. We like the ergonomic design of the handle, but the squeeze lever controller felt like it could be tiring for those with smaller hands or less hand strength. Also, the handle attachment hardware, which is a unique lock lever screw, appears to be intended as a convenience but works awkwardly. The locking lever does not close if the mechanism is threaded too tightly, a point at which the device still feels loose. Number 5. Greenworks 40V21 Brushless Smart Pace. Boasting a 21-inch swath cut, this Greenworks cordless mower can operate for up to 70 minutes powered by its 240-volt lithium-ion batteries included, allowing users to mow longer without stopping to recharge. When one battery runs down, the power automatically switches to the second battery. The mower features self-propulsion, large front and rear wheels for easy maneuvering, a push-button start, height adjustment from 1.3/8 to 3.3/4 inches, and a folding handle for easy storage. Rear bagging, side discharge, and mulching options are all available to collect clippings. As a bonus, the battery charger includes a USB port that can charge a cell phone or tablet if necessary. In our test, this 40V mower compared favorably to the other cordless models with bigger batteries. It mowed at lower power until engaging a heavier load of dense or tall grass. Then it automatically increased output for the tougher work. In mulching mode, thick grass tended to bog down the blade somewhat. The self-propel feature uses a pressure-sensitive sliding handle to automatically adjust to the user's pace. Unfortunately, like the snapper mower, the mechanism feels somewhat sticky at times so that the mower feels like it is jerking away. Still, overall this mower offers excellent runtime and performance in most conditions.